Yeah, we thought we were getting off easy this winter because we haven't had much snow, and all of a sudden we got the big blizzard and then this, and it sounds like there's some more to come. So once it starts happening like this, you just settle in and you get ready for it. You get plenty of gas for the snowblower, get a few shovels ready to go and some hot chocolate. You're all set. We're New Englanders, it's no big deal. No, it's not too much. You know, come back and see me in late March and I might have a different story, but so far so good.
One shovel at a time. You can't really think about the big job. You just do one shovel at a time till it's gone. It's almost as bad as the last one, just not quite as bad. Different timing.
I'm guessing there's probably 10 to 12 inches right now on the ground. And it's still coming down about 2 inches an hour, I'd say, which is really pretty heavy rate. And it's supposed to continue to about 6 o'clock. So this will be another 2-footer, 18 inches. Good. More than we need. Yeah, see all these buses here? I got to clean all those windshields off, pull them all out, and push it up against the fence. I'll be here for 6 or 8 hours doing that. Well, this is New England. You got to expect it. You know, we don't get nothing all year long until the end of January, and then we get hammered. Why not?